Ready to take your backyard to the next level this winter? These crazy Amazon gadgets will keep things warm, fun, and seriously convenient even when it's freezing out. From outdoor heaters to cozy lighting and clever snow solutions, these finds turn cold weather into comfort season. All the products are linked in the description below. Winter mornings just got easier. No more slipping, shoveling, or throwing salt everywhere. These heated outdoor mats melt snow and ice right off your walkway automatically. Just lay them down, plug them in, and let them handle the rest. They're built tough to withstand freezing temps all season long, giving you clear, safe steps every day. Winter chores handled. Forget the backbreaking shoveling this winter. This cordless snow shovel lets you clear your steps, deck, or driveway with the push of a button. It's lightweight, powerful, and runs on a long-lasting battery, no cords, no fumes, no hassle. The adjustable handle keeps it comfortable to use, even for longer jobs. You'll finish faster and stay warmer while the snow flies out of your way. Ever wished your backyard could be usable year-round? This clear garden dome turns any small space into a cozy, all-weather hideaway. It's made from durable, UV-protected panels that handle wind, rain, and even heavy snow while giving you a crystal-clear view of the outdoors. Use it as a lounge, dining nook, or yoga retreat. You can even run power inside for lights or heat. Your personal bubble of calm, right in your garden. Campfires just got a serious upgrade. These rotating roasting sticks make perfect marshmallows, hot dogs, or s'mores every time. No more burnt edges or uneven toasting. They extend safely so you can stay back from the flames, and the smooth turn handle keeps your food cooking evenly. Easy to clean, built to last, and fun for the whole family. Campfire nights will never be the same again. Cold hands while working or gaming? Not anymore. These USB-powered heated gloves keep your hands toasty without overheating. They warm both sides' palms and backs so your fingers stay evenly cozy. The half-finger design lets you type or use your mouse easily, and the fold-over cover keeps fingertips warm when you're done. Soft, stretchy wool feels snug and comfy, making chilly days way more bearable. Wet boots after a long day? No problem. This boot and shoe dryer quickly blows away moisture and odor, leaving everything warm, dry, and fresh. It works for shoes, gloves, helmets, pretty much anything that gets damp. You can adjust the heat, timer, and even deodorize to keep things smelling clean. Just set it, let it work, and enjoy that toasty, ready-to-wear feel every time. Cool nights don't mean you have to head inside. This pyramid patio heater keeps your outdoor space warm and glowing with a tall, mesmerizing flame encased in glass. It runs on propane, offering hours of steady heat with adjustable settings to suit your comfort. Built-in wheels make it easy to move, and safety features shut it off if it tips. Warmth, style, and ambiance all in one. Keep your grilling station spotless with this silicone griddle mat. Designed to handle heat and mess, it protects your side shelf or countertop while catching drips and spills. Perfect for holding spatulas, sauces, or seasonings. It keeps everything within easy reach. When you're done, just rinse or toss it in the dishwasher. Durable, flexible, and built for BBQ lovers who like a clean setup. Turn your patio into a luxury retreat with this aluminum antique outdoor sofa set. The sleek design pairs natural wood with a sturdy, rust-resistant frame, while the plush waterproof cushions keep things cozy year-round. The built-in smokeless fire pit adds instant warmth and ambiance perfect for relaxing nights or entertaining guests. It's an all-in-one setup for comfort, style, and unforgettable outdoor gatherings. Here's the fire pit that completely changes outdoor nights. Made from heavy-duty Corten steel, it develops a rustic patina while staying durable for years. The best part, it burns clean with almost zero smoke, thanks to its smart airflow system. You still get the real crackle and warmth of a wood fire without the irritation. Perfect for backyard hangouts or late-night conversations around the flame. Tea lovers, this one's for you. This smart electric teapot takes the guesswork out of brewing and delivers perfect tea every time. You can pick from 6 preset styles, bold, balanced, or smooth, and it keeps your tea warm for up to 2 hours. Altitude calibration means it adapts no matter where you brew. With its magnetic infuser and auto shutoff, all you do is pour, sip, and relax. This pop-up canopy makes outdoor setup effortless. Just one push and you've got instant shade. Designed for quick events, camping trips, or backyard parties, it's built with a sturdy steel frame and UV protective fabric to keep you cool and covered. The sidewall adds extra privacy and wind protection, while the wheeled carry bag makes transport a breeze. Simple, durable, and ready for any sunny day outdoors. Turn any night into a light show. This upgraded outdoor projector paints your walls, trees, or patio with stunning auroras and starry patterns. With over 50 scene modes and voice control through smart assistants, you can switch moods with just a word. Its aluminum body and waterproof design handle any weather with ease. Bright, colorful, and effortless. It's your shortcut to instant holiday magic. Cold hands? Not anymore. This slim, rechargeable hand warmer heats up in just 2 seconds and slips easily into your pocket or gloves. You can choose from 3 warmth levels to keep your hands perfectly toasty all day. The sleek aluminum design looks as good as it feels, with artistic prints that won't fade. It's practical, pretty, and the perfect everyday winter companion. Why fight with rakes when you can clear your yard in minutes? This 3-in-1 cordless leaf blower works as a blower, vacuum, and mulcher all in one sleek tool. Its brushless motor packs serious power while running quietly and efficiently. 2 speed modes let you choose between light cleanup or full blast power. And with quick conversion and built-in wheels, yard work just got way easier and a lot more fun. Cold nights just met their match. This heated blanket shawl wraps you in soft flannel and Sherpa warmth, with a cozy hood and zippered front for full coverage. Choose from 8 heat levels and set the timer anywhere from 1 to 10 hours. Your comfort, your rules. Safety features keep things worry-free while you relax or nap. It's like wearing your favorite blanket, only smarter and toastier. Now this is relaxation redefined. This curved chaise lounge chair literally lets you float in comfort thanks to its suspended steel frame design. The plush foam cushion and built-in pillow cradle you perfectly while the removable canopy shields you from the sun. Its weather-resistant build makes it perfect for the patio, garden, or poolside. Once you settle in, you may never want to get up again. Your backyard gatherings just got a serious upgrade. This fire pit surround turns your wood-burning pit into a cozy, functional centerpiece. The 360-degree barrier keeps kids, pets, and hands safely away from the flames, while the flat top gives you extra space for snacks and drinks. Built with powder-coated steel and UV-resistant fabric, it's tough enough for any weather. Warm nights just got even better. Light up your nights the smart way. These solar deck lights charge during the day and glow automatically at dusk, giving your steps, fences, or pathways a warm, welcoming shine. No wiring, no switches, just pure convenience. They're built tough with waterproof ABS housing, so rain or snow won't stop them. Safe, stylish and simple. Your outdoor space just got a cozy upgrade. Turn any night into a fondue party. This electric fondue set melts cheese, chocolate, or caramel to perfection, making it perfect for movie nights, date nights, or family fun. It comes with 4 dipping forks and a 3-section tray for all your favorite snacks. The nonstick pot is easy to clean, and the simple temperature dial keeps everything smooth and creamy. Sweet, savory, or both your choice. Say goodbye to cold feet and desk fatigue. This heated footrest keeps you cozy while improving posture and circulation. 2 heat levels warm your feet in minutes, while built-in vibration massage melts away tension during long work sessions. The adjustable height and memory foam top make it super comfortable, and the non-slip base keeps it steady. Perfect for work, gaming, or relaxing at home comfort, just leveled up. Bring a little boho charm to your space. This macrame hammock chair combines style and comfort with a soft, cloud-like cushion that hugs you as you relax. The sturdy iron frame and hand-woven design keep you safe and supported while you sway. Hang it indoors or outside bedroom, patio, or balcony. It fits anywhere. Easy to assemble, easy to love, and perfect for unwinding in style. Hosting a party? Keep your drinks and snacks chilled in style with this inflatable serving bar. Just fill it with ice, load it up with food and beverages, and let the good times roll. It even floats, so it's perfect for pool parties or backyard BBQs. When the fun's over, the built-in drain plug makes cleanup a breeze. Cool, portable, and ready for any celebration. No more cold coffee halfway through your morning routine. This heated mug set keeps every sip perfectly warm, down to the exact degree you like. The dual Mugzone Gray, one pink make it perfect for couples who love sharing cozy moments. With precise temperature control and auto shutoff, it's smart, safe, and stylish. Whether it's coffee, tea, or cocoa, your drink stays just right every single time. Movie night just went next level. This inflatable projector screen pops up in minutes, turning your backyard into a private cinema. The built-in blower quietly inflates it fast, while the sturdy triangular frame and tie-downs keep it steady even on breezy nights. The bright crease-free screen works for both front and rear projection. Pack it up in the carry bag, and your theater travels wherever you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.